Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to create masks in Figma. First, ensure you have your desired content and a shape ready in your canvas. The shape will define the visible area of your content. We'll cover the simple steps to set up your layers correctly and then apply the mask with just a few clicks. This technique is incredibly useful for cropping images or creating unique design elements, giving your projects a polished and professional look. To begin, place the content you want to mask, such as an image or a group of elements, onto your Figma canvas. Next, draw any shape you desire: a circle, a rectangle, or even a custom vector path directly on top of that content. This shape will act as your window. It's crucial that this masking shape is positioned directly above your content in the Layers panel for the masking function to work correctly. Once your content and mask shape are correctly layered, select both of them. You can do this by clicking and dragging a selection box around them, or by holding Shift and clicking each layer in the Layers panel. With both items selected, right-click anywhere on your canvas. From the context menu that appears, simply choose the Use as Mask option. Instantly, your content will be clipped by the shape you created. After applying a mask, you can easily edit it. Double-click the masked group to select either the mask shape or the content individually, allowing for precise adjustments. You can also move or resize the entire masked group together, treating it as one element. If you ever need to remove the mask, simply right-click on the masked group and select Release Mask. This will separate your content and shape back into two distinct layers.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.